Samsung widgets provide quick access to specific information or functionalities on your Samsung device's home screen. Widgets can display various types of content, such as weather information, calendar events, news headlines, music controls, or even custom widgets created by third-party developers. To add a Samsung widget to your home screen, follow these steps. Long press an empty space on your device's home screen. Scroll through the list of available widgets, or swipe left or right to view different categories. Tap on the widget you want to add to your home screen. Drag and drop the widget to the desired location on the home screen. Resize the widget if necessary by dragging its edges or corners. Weather widget displays real-time weather conditions and forecasts. Calendar widget shows upcoming events and appointments. Clock widget displays time, date, and alarms. Music widget controls music playback and displays album art. Email widget provides a preview of emails and allows for quick actions. Battery widget displays the current battery level and provides power-saving options. Widgets eliminate the need to open apps, allowing users to access information or perform functions with a single tap. Users can personalize their home screen layout to prioritize essential widgets, reducing time spent navigating through apps.